Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to remove professional account on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. And first of all, click on Instagram app. Okay, then tap on profile icon. Click on three line option. Okay, then scroll down. Tap on creator tools and controls. Just click, then scroll down, then tap on switch account type, then click, then tap on personal account. Just click switch to personal account. Okay, then switch to personal account. Then refresh and back, then your account shows personal account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.